GM everyone, how was your night? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome back to the stream. It's your boy Dan coming to your live stream once again with another KuCoin Futures tutorial. Okay, so if you are new here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you will never miss another trading education session. Alright, you hit the like, subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss another trading education session with me. So alright, so today we'll be diving into how to trade futures using the evening star candlestick pattern. Okay, it's a very powerful signal for spotting market reversals. But before that, we'll spend about a few minutes revisiting our previous class where we learned about the morning star pattern. Okay, so you have to flow with me so that we will put things in order. All right, you have to flow with me so that we put things in order. So first of all, you go to the description. Let me say good morning to everyone. Okay, good morning to everyone. Message, if you are online, feel free to do what to react so that I know that I'm not streaming alone. I'm waiting for you guys. Let's wait for 30 more seconds before we can continue. Just say something, okay? Just say something. So don't forget that if you don't have KuCoin, because I'm going to use KuCoin exchange app. If you don't have that, the first link is on how to sign up using the KuCoin app. So, and the second one is the campaign that is ongoing. So you make sure you sign up using that so that we can all flow. All right, one person is not active, that's good because I'm not selling alone. All right, so now that first link there, the first link here is there. You can also check in my description section. The first link is all about on how to sign up on KuCoin. Okay, because KuCoin is one of my favorite exchanges I use during this live tutorial, and also there's an ongoing campaign if you wish to earn while learning, because very hard before you see such things. Okay, there's some people that they join, they keep learning but they don't earn anything, but KuCoin has given you the opportunity for you to learn and also earn at the same time. All right, so if you haven't done that, I'll advise you to go to KuCoin. Already I have my own here, always with me. My own exchange is always with me. Okay, my own exchange is always with me. This is the KuCoin, so I have to set things in order by logging in for security reasons. Okay, by logging in for security reasons. So this is it. I'm going to tap the futures button because I'm going to show you guys how to trade futures using KuCoin exchange. Alright, so this is where you can select your coin. This is where you see the chart, the two candles beside here, and if you should tap here, you see BTC is bullish or is bearish. This is massive. This is massive. BTC is bearish. Okay, you can tap on this octagon. You see drawing tools, open chart, open history, other history. In case you want to preview your former trade, you can tap on the other history and it's going to display. But here you can tap on the tools if you are about to draw and make your technical analysis. All right, you see, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Okay, so that's all right. So what we're gonna do now is what I'm going to do now is to kindly talk about we should kindly do a recap, okay, of our previous class. Okay, so in our last class, in our last session, we covered the morning star pattern, which signals what? If you can remember, what does the morning star pattern signify? I'm waiting for you guys. I'm asking a question. What does the morning star pattern signify? Someone is typing. Waiting, no idea. Come on, there should be an idea, fams. You were with me yesterday, so what does this signify? If you are wrong, I will correct you. If you are wrong, I will correct you. What does this signify? Okay, it signifies a strong bullish reversal. Welcome everyone. That's nice. It signifies a strong bullish reversal. Okay, so guys, welcome my friend. You say I welcome. You are all welcome. Okay, so now let's get into a recap so that we can really focus on our today tutorial. Okay, let's quickly go over what we learned. Okay, I said that the three candle pattern in a morning star, we always have a three candle pattern in a morning star. We have the first bearish candle showing that there is a strong selling pressure. Okay, I explained that there is a strong selling pressure, and also a small body candle, which can be a doji or any candle, but mostly a doji candlestick. That signifies the market is in indecision state, which signifies that the market is where is in indecision state. So we signify that the market is in indecision state. So guys, let me increase my volume so that you can see very well. I hope you can see. So that is it. It signifies a strong bullish reversal. All right, just like something that is here, we have a bearish. If you can check something here, this is a example of, is also example of a bearish momentum candle, something here. That is also the morning star. First of all, come with a bearish. The market was in a downtrend. Well, the market was in a downtrend. What happened? while the market was in a downtrend, showing a strong bearish. It was showing a strong bearish momentum, selling pressure. Oh wow, the pressure, the market is continuing to be, we're going to continue to calm down. The sellers are in control of the market, and you are up and down, happy. And all of a sudden, we saw a doji candle at closer to the support zone, because once it occurs at the support zone, that makes it, a strong confirmation. If you combine with another strategy, it shows you a strong confirmation. If you combine with another strategy, all right, if you combine with another strategy, so what you do is you wait for a long bearish candle. Okay, you wait for a long bearish candle. This example here, when you wait for a long bearish candle, what do you do next? When you wait for a long bearish candle, what happens? I'm trying to check the example if I can see it and explain it to you. This example of it. Have you seen it? Let me just do it online so I have things to explain. All right. That is it. So you have things to explain. This is the example of a morning star. This is example of a morning star. If you should see this, okay, the market was in a downtrend, and all of a sudden it forms a long bearish engulfing candle, which signifies that there's a high selling pressure. And after that, where there was a high selling pressure, it also formed another candle. It might be any candle, it might be green or red, it doesn't matter, but mostly it normally forms a doji candle. Once it forms a doji candle, that is a position of an indecision market. Okay, an indecision market. From there, you see a bullish candle, and after forming a bullish candle, we will now discover. After forming a bullish candle, we now discover that, okay, after forming a bullish candle, what happened is that it gives you a strong trend bullish reversal, okay, signifying that, oh, the market is about to what? Go bullish. Okay, once signifies that the market is about to go bullish, what do? You wait for another entry, confirmation entry. Maybe you apply with another signal, or apply with another tools or any strategy, okay, or any other training pattern that when you combine it with that training pattern, it makes it possible and gives you a confirmation that there is a bullish reversal trend. There is going to be a bullish reversal trend, in which you can, set your market, position yourself and buy at that time. Okay, so that is few things we did in our last class. A long bearish candle showing strong selling pressure, the small body one showing indecision, and the last one was the long bullish candle confirming the reversal. Okay, so and also in our last class that it mostly occurs at where? It mostly occurs at a support level. Have you seen? It mostly occurs at the support level. If it mostly occurs at the support level, what happened? It appears the bottom of the downtrend, indicating the bears are losing control. What bears when confirmed with volume increase or support zone? And I also remember that I show you how to use this pattern in KuCoin Futures, right? KuCoin Futures, no other exchange that I love apart from KuCoin. I'm not discriminating another one, but I think KuCoin will be best for you guys. if you use it, because it's self-explanatory and you can easily understand this structure. All right, you can easily understand this structure. So if you practice that setup, okay, let Lunar chart, if you practice it yesterday, I would love to hear from you. The chat can tell me I did this, any challenge, it was nice, do you practice it over and over again? So it is left for you to show me that. It is left for you to do what? Show me that. So guys, this pattern is very, very easy and simple to understand. Okay, if you practice it, just say I practice it, it was good, it was bad, I didn't understand it. I'm here to answer your question. Okay, if you practice it. Okay, still waiting for you. You practice it. Waiting. Cynthia, Simon, good morning. Everyone, good morning. All right, maybe you encounter a little difficulty, that's why you're not able to, but no problem, it's fine. All right, it's fine. At least I'll try to make sure you understand what I'm going to do today. Very easy. Okay, so we were talking about the morning star in our previous class, and this other class we are going to Jim, you guys, Jim. So if you practice, I think people are online now. If you practice, just let me know. You practice what we learned yesterday. How was it? Okay. Wow, you practice the morning star pattern. So how was it, Esther? How was it, Esther Mana? You practiced the morning. Did you discover any challenges? All right. It was amazing, no challenges, sir, and I would love to learn more. That's nice. You like the morning star, Miss Elijah? All right, that's good. So today we are going to go into the opposite of what? Opposite of the morning star. Remember, the morning star is a bullish reversal, while the evening star is a what? The bearish reversal. Okay, so there's no two ways behind it. It's just opposite. Okay, words and opposite. So you just have to know where to implement it and how to use it if you combine with another strategy. And remember that these two patterns normally occur at a support or resistance zone. Okay, as you can see, this one occur at the resistance zone. Okay, well, the market pump from where? The market pump, you see, the market pump at 75,937 to where? Just see where the market pump to. Have you seen? Going higher to 105,881 per USDT. So this was a massive profit. Okay, using the morning star. So today no, I didn't. Okay, just stay in touch with me. Okay, I'm going to make sure everyone understands this. Okay, so it's going to be an interactive class. On what you don't understand, you make sure you tell me, and I'll explain it more and more for you guys. Okay, don't be massive profit. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Massive profit. So don't be, when we started trading, it's always kind of difficult. It's hard, but there's nothing there if there's consistency in it. If you put your mind and dedicate your time, you will definitely know how to do it. Okay, so don't just give up. Just keep trying, and you soar higher. Okay, so now let's move to our today's topic. And I said today's topic, we are going to talk about the evening star. Okay, let's talk about the evening star pattern. It's a bearish twin of the morning star. Just like the morning star signals the end of a downtrend, what happened to the evening star? Evening star warns us that an uptrend may be coming to an end. Okay, that is the beginning of a downtrend. Okay, so it is one of the most reliable bearish reversal signals in technical analysis, which I love using, and especially when combined with futures trading. On where? Which exchange is that? Which exchange is it reliable? Wow, that's nice. KuCoin Exchange Futures. That's great. Okay, you are following up. Okay, you are paying attention. At least someone is paying attention. The rest of you, don't lose hope. We are going to flow together. Okay, now what is the evening star pattern? Every star pattern consists of exactly 3 candlesticks. All right, just like the morning star we talk about, it contains exactly 3 candlesticks. The first candle, which is the long bullish candle, showing strong buying momentum. The second candle, which is the small body candle, all right, a doji, showing indecision. That is, the buyers are slowing down and the sellers are going to take over the market. That's what the second candle signifies. Then the third candle is a long bearish candle, confirming that sellers have taken over the market completely. All right, that is in a nutshell. That is the explanation of what evening star pattern, without going through different kind of stuff like that. So now this pattern typically appears in way at the top of an uptrend. Remember that the morning star appears at the bottom of what? Of a downtrend. Okay, appearing at the bottom of a downtrend. This is example of it. This is it. This one that is in the red background. Have you seen it? This one that is in the red background. This one that is in the red background. This is what I mean by at the bottom of a downtrend. Have you seen it? So that's just it, guys. Occurring at the bottom of a downtrend. And if you should observe, the formation of a candle in doji here, okay, forming, giving us a signal that the market is going to go up. So even though you have entered this trade here, it wouldn't have been a nice idea because you would have lost a little. You see, it was testing before coming to reach the bottom, and the market would spin higher and higher. Okay, so that's just it, guys. That is example of a morning star. So now let me show you example of what? Of the evening star. Of the evening star. You remember, it always show at the bottom of a at the top of an uptrend. That is where you're going to see the morning star, the evening star, sorry. We are talking about the evening star. So it mostly form at the top of the bomb. All right, we got it, bro. We got it. Now, if you should observe, this market was in an uptrend direction, right? Have you seen? This market was in an uptrend direction. Now, after reaching an uptrend direction, what happens? It shows us that the market is going higher and higher and higher, right? So until it came to this position, just look at it. Wow, that was 60 minutes. Have I missed it? Okay, this is it. This market took place on, have you seen, on 6th January 2025, right? Have you seen it? Check what happened. This is what I mean by what? This is what I mean by the one on the yellow is what we mean. Is what I mean by the morning, by the evening star. Have you seen it? This is example of a what? Evening star. Now take a look. If you should take a look at this chart, hello guys, sorry I was interrupted. It's fine, you can continue from where you stop, fam. So if you take a look at this chart, you will see that the market was in an uptrend. Are you seeing? The market was in an uptrend from $91,542 per BTC as at last year, late last year, 30th December 2024. Now look at what happened. It was in an uptrend, bullish till where 102,598. All right, that was in an uptrend, massive uptrend. Now what happened? Okay, this took place in a support level, in my resistance level. Yeah, bullish in a resistance level. Have you seen it? These two plays at the resistance level. Now, after taking place at this resistance level, what happened? They form. That was my resistance level. My resistance level is which color? Is the blue color. Well, the evening star I'm trying to show you, of course, that way, is in the purple rectangle. All right, is in the purple rectangle, right? So guys, now look at, I told you that in an evening star you're going to have three candles, right? The first one is going to be a bullish candle, showing that, giving you hope that the market is still in an uptrend, that the buyers are still in control of the market. You get that? The buyers are still in control of the market. The buyers are still in control of the market. Please, if you don't have the KuCoin exchange, please, there is a link in my bio, and don't fail to click on it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. There's a link in the bio section of it. Tap it and download the exchange, right, so that you can be in the same page with me, right? So guys, let me explain this to you. So guys, coming. Give me a minute. I'm coming. Right. I want to explain this to you. First, while we are talking about, I've explained the theoretical aspect of it. So this is the technical aspect of it. Explaining this to you. Coming? Okay. So now this is so I was trying to set up my network issues. So this is the three candles. The first one is a bullish, the second one is a doji, showing that it's indecision, and the third one here is an RMI, which we have not talked about it yet, but there's a bullish bearish candle here. Now this chart, I won't advise you to enter a position at here at that support level. You have to wait for a bearish candle to break the trend line. Have you seen? This was my trend line. Guess what happened? It broke the trend line. After breaking the trend line, the market timed down from where, right? The market timed down. The market timed down from 101,157 to where? Would have made a little profit from here. The market timed down. Using it. Market timed down from this position. If you have entered your trade from here, you have entered a short position from here, the market timed down from there. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? The market timed down. Market timed down from 99,121 to where? 89,125. So this is one of the function. So this is one of the function of. This is one of the function of the evening star. This is one of the evening star that shows a bearish reversal from an uptrend to a downtrend. All right. So it's very simple and easy to understand. Now, the market psychology behind this scope or behind this pattern is that buyers push the price up strongly, first candle, then indecision, bulls hesitate, they start eyeing entries. You see, the indecision market, the bulls hesitate, okay, they start eyeing entries. That is the formation of this second candle, right? The bear started by eyeing entry, the formation of this second candle. Then the market flips as sellers do what? Dominate. This is where the sellers dominate, right? This is where the sellers dominate. they dominated massively, okay, until the price had to turn down. Okay, so now if for example you want to enter a position, you are looking for your entry point, your stop loss, and your take profit, right? Let's put that to work, guys. You first of all identify the pattern, which is the morning, which is the evening star. You confirm it forms after an upper trend. This was already in an upper trend from 91,000 to 121. That was in an upper trend. Then you ensure that the candle closes below the midpoint of the first candle. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? It closes before the midpoint of the first candle. Now for you to enter short position from here, okay, this is it. You want to enter short position, so this is going to be our that's green. We come up here, then we set our stop loss slightly above, right? Then our entry would have been here. Have you seen it? You drag it. My entry is which line? Is the lower line. So you see my red is the blue line, which is my entry. Now if you check my entry is at 100 and my entry is at, my stop loss is at 103,759 US dollars. I entered the market at 101,515 US dollars. Then my take profit, I take profit at $92,375. All right, this is probably massive. How many? This 1:3 ratio, right? Risk reward ratio. So now let's go to the chart. I supposed to have taken that down so that you guys know what we are doing. Remember, it took place at January, so it took place at January. We are close. All right, this is it, fam. We have to indicate all these. Yeah, so you see that my stop loss is where 103,759, right? My take profit is where my take profit is 92,375. Then my entry, if I would have entered this market at then 101,420. So now let's go back to this. Let's go back to trade. It's going to be short, right? When you click on short position, it's going to be cross. X is the kind of leverage you want. Let's keep it at 3x. Now the price, the limit, that would have been limit. Now the quantity, BTC. Let's say we enter 1 BTC here. you set our take profit. Remember I said 9,375, that was my take profit, and 2,375. Then my stop loss would have been 103,759. You see, it's because the market is currently trading at 103,000, right? That is why it's showing like this. But already you have seen the profit. I would have made 33% would have given us a massive profit entering this trade with 1 BTC, and you have entered with 12 BTC in the amount you have, right? If you set, if you are very sure, you drag it if you are sure of this 100x, confirm. But I've entered a take profit again at 92,375. Have you seen massive profit, fam? 103,759. Would have made nothing less than 1,106 take profit, right? So that's how we would have entered this trade, and you know, and I've made a mad profit. So right guys, so that is it. And I'm gonna give you a little risk management when you open your KuCoin Futures chart. Just like already, this is it. This is the first thing you're going to see. The market is massively deep, fam. Right time to buy and keep your coins. You see? Have you seen this? When you open it, what do? Go to the futures section aspect of it. When you come to the futures section aspect of it, what do? Move to select the coin you want to trade. BTC, ETH. First of all, BTC, you want to trade BTC, go and look at the chart. Check the nature of the chart. After checking the nature of the chart, you check. You see how the pattern forms, right? You won't really see it here if you don't keep it in the landscape. You check how the pattern forms, right? This is how the patterns form. Have you seen it? These are the pattern form. Check, keep checking. Bullish, guys. Yeah, bullish. You check if it is in an uptrend. I'm going back to that my example, or you can even take something like this. Is the market going in an uptrend direction? If the market is going in an uptrend direction, what do you have to do? This is an example of a morning star here. This is an example of a morning star. Okay, example of a morning star. Another morning star here. So this pattern is very nice. Once you discover the if it is in an uptrend, what do you do next? You set up, oh, this is where I'm going to enter my short. Oh, here's my stop loss. Oh, here's my take profit. You must not follow what someone do. You must believe in yourself before you enter this, and you discuss why the confirmation matters before jumping in. Okay, you confirm with another. Another strategy. Once you confirm with another strategy, it will make it more easy for you. Explain the risk to reward ratio. Now, never risk more than 2% of your total capital on a single trade. They are not the one that is in charge of the market. Okay, this is not your father business. So you never risk more than 2% of your trading portfolio. Never risk that. No matter how sure you are with your trade, never you risk more than 2% of your total capital on a single trade. How about you guys are with me? Okay, also backtest your work. What I'm doing is backtesting. Showing me that, oh, this is what I did, oh, God, if I've entered this trade, would this take place? I'm going to show you how to backtest, right? If currently I was on January 1st, 2025, would I have made this nice decision to enter short at this position, or I would have, the fear of missing out I would have come into my mind? So that's just it, fam. So it's it's one of the patterns I really love using. Okay, the morning star and the evening star. All of these patterns are, it's just for you to choose the one that you like and follow it. Don't allow anything to deceive you. Just follow it and combine with another indicators, right? Then you are good to go. All right, so I'm gonna run up the class. If you have any question, don't hesitate to call my attention. At least today we have learned how to trade evening star pattern on KuCoin Futures. We have also seen how signals at the end of the uptrend and also help us to spot shorting opportunities, right? And the rest of it. So if you really got value from this stream, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your trading friends, people that are interested in learning. And don't forget to join the KuCoin Future using my special sign up link in my description section below. And in our next session, we'll try to cover another powerful pattern, which I won't tell you now, but we'll tell you when you are active. All right, so stay consistent, stay disciplined, and keep learning. See you all in the next live session. Peace out. Thank you, fams. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time. Bye. Bye.